What's included in the program? This course agenda is divided into 7 parts. First, selling mindset. Second, customer service. Third, basic selling skills. Fourth, advanced selling skills. Fifth, close the sale. Sixth, after sales service. And seventh, what happens next? Why are these subjects important? Studying and putting to use the information presented in this manual will help build and reinforce a higher customer service standard and increase sales. Remember, the ultimate goal is to have a more professional customer service oriented sales team that makes customer feel comfortable in your store, which ultimately will help you to reach your sales objectives. When do you use it? To train and build selling skills in your new customer service associates, to train the entire sales team, and to build a development plan for the store manager and for the assistant manager.